Konnichiwa guys, today we take a tour of MURASAKI room, one of the few uniquely designed rooms at Tokyo International Share House Casa Japonesque in Shibuya Shinjuku area. MURASAKI room is Japanese-style 6-tatami room, most common in central Tokyo. Its living space is approximately 3.6 meter long and 2.6 meter wide, which comes to slightly less than 10 square meters, without the closet. In comparison with conventional Japanese-style room, MURASAKI room has a few improvements, apart from its unique design, to make it more comfortable, cozy, and convenient. Let's take a look. The floor of the room is made of tatami mats and is covered with 3 layers of carpets and rugs, which makes it soft and warm. Except for the high-end, Japanese private house doesn't usually have sufficient thermal insulation, and rooms might feel too hot in summer or too cold in winter. We installed additional efficient wall and window insulation, which together with curtains made of special insulating fabric, helps maintaining the room temperature stable for a substantial amount of time. The furniture set consists of writing desk with shelves and cabinet, shelving unit, night cabinet, and 2 single beds. The main LED light, shaped like a large dish, is in the center of the ceiling and is very common in modern Japan. Its brightness is controlled remotely. There are also desk and night lamps. Because power outlets are notoriously known for being placed in the most inconvenient places, we use extension cords. This gives some flexibility in placing them at your convenience. Each bed is a comfortable combo of mattress and futon. The beds can be arranged 3-way, sofa style, 1 bed serves as the back support, double deck, 1 bed on top of the other, and 2 beds side by side for double occupancy. The multifunctional AC unit serves as an air conditioner in summer, heater in winter, as well as dehumidifier, and is controlled remotely. We provide a number of utility items, including floor fan, hairdryer, 2 dinner trays, tea set, shower basket, and toothbrush cup. Oshiri closet with richly decorated sliding paper doors is spacious, about 180 cm long and 90 cm deep, and lined up with soft decorative materials. It has several functionally different sections. The largest central section has containers for clothing, the bottom section is for the bulky luggage, the top section is to store the bedding, and the tall right section is for hanging long items like dresses or pants. There is also a bottom side section for your shoe collection. The capacity of the closet is extended with additional bamboo rods to hang your clothes, towels, etc. Room decor is original and unique. MURASAKI means purple, so this color is usually associated with flowers like irises, wisteria, and hydrangea. It is considered a color of maturity and sophisticated elegance. The word is also tightly linked to Lady Murasaki, a famed Japanese novelist and poet of the 11th century, most notably known for her novel The Tale of Genji. This association brings about additional charm and elevated ambience to the room. The main idea of the room decor is to make you feel like living in the garden, full of flowers. The room is lavishly decorated with traditional Japanese crafts and props like noren, furoshiki, tenugui, ukiyo-e, depicting flowers and Japanese beauties. The wall centerpiece is beautiful MURASAKI kimono. There is also a unique atmospheric night light in the form of bamboo canopy adorned with wisteria garlands. Original high-quality photography complements the elegant style of the room. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you like it, please give us a thumb up, hit subscribe and share. For now, from all of us at Casa Japonesque, sayonara.